Mike Larson here with an important update for November 2nd. Everybody knows this week is the week that the Federal Reserve is going to decide what it's going to do next. All the talk is focused on quantitative easing 2, QE2. Will the Fed print $500 billion and buy bonds? Will it print $1 trillion? But again, that focus here in the U.S. just on what U.S. interest rates are doing and what U.S. Federal Reserve policy is really short-sighted, because overseas it's a whole different ballgame. You have the Reserve Bank of Australia that just hiked interest rates for the 7th time to 4.75%. You have the Indian Central Bank that just raised interest rates for the 6th time to 6.25%. You have central banks in countries like Israel that are raising rates. You have central banks in other parts of Asia that are raising rates, including China. Essentially, rates are going up worldwide, except here in the US and other developed countries. And I've used the word developed in quotes. Japan, the UK, the US, they're the global sinners right now. Weak economies, weak growth, weak job markets, low interest rates. Whereas the winners are these overseas markets, Australia, China. Again, you can pick a lot of these names out of the hat and you'll see that growth is stronger, interest rates are going up, the currencies are outperforming, the stock markets and bond markets are outperforming. It's really a huge split, again, between these winners and sinners. So my advice for investing in this market is don't get caught up in just what the US Fed's doing, because you might miss some real opportunities overseas. Frankly, if you're not following the money and putting your money in those markets, I think you're missing out. Thank you.